If you want to permanently share your live location on Google Maps with family, friends, or someone you trust, here's exactly how to do it. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. After that, scroll down a little and select Location Sharing. Here, tap on Share Location. By default, Google Maps usually sets the sharing time to 1 hour. You need to change that if you want permanent location sharing. So tap on the time option and select Until you turn this off. This will keep your live location shared continuously until you manually disable it. Now choose the person you want to share your location with. You can select a contact directly or tap on More to send the link through messages, email, or any other app. Once they open the link, they'll be able to track your real-time location directly in Google Maps. One important thing you should also check is your location permission settings. If location access is limited, your live location may stop updating properly in the background. So go to your phone settings, open Apps, select Google Maps, then tap on Location Permission Settings, and set it to Allow all the time, or Always Allow, depending on your device. And that's it. Your Google Maps live location will now stay shared permanently until you turn it off manually. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Google Maps tips and step-by-step tutorials.